Hello, Assalamualaikum and good morning to my lecturer and my friend. My name is Maud Fakirun Naswat and this is my partner Omar Nazim. Today we are going to present our topic comparison between semi-synthetic and fully synthetic engine oil. Let's go. Engine oil is very important because it lubricates the engine, reduces friction, and protect engine part from damage. In the automotive, while choosing the correct engine is oil important for better vehicle performance and maintenance. First, we will compare the price. Semi-synthetic oil is cheaper than fully synthetic oil. It is more affordable for users with a low budget. On the other hand, fully synthetic oil is more expensive, but it offers more benefit.
Thank you, Kirun. Now I will explain about engine protection. Full synthetic oil provide better protected semi-synthetic oil. It's helpful lubricates engine when keeps the engine clean. Semi-synthetic oil can still protect the engine, but it is less effective. Next is traveling. Full synthetic oil is more durable and lasts longer than semi-synthetic oil. It does not need to be charged of option. In context, semi-synthetic oil needs more frequent oil change. Last, in terms for susceptibility, semi-synthetic oil is more susceptible for normal day driving and user with a low blended. Fully synthetic oil is not the best choosing for model engine and high performance balancing. In conclusion, both engine oil have three on advantage. Semi-synthetic oil is cheaper and more economical, with fully synthetic oil in better, more durable, and give better engine protection. This is all from us. Thank you.